Today, I will take you to visit the tissue paper factory to learn more about the production process of facial tissue and see how these advanced machines produce high-quality tissues step by step. First, please pay attention to this semi-automatic facial tissue production line. It consists of a semi-automatic folding machine, a fully automatic paper cutter and a fully automatic packaging machine. This production line is designed to improve production efficiency while ensuring the quality of each piece of tissue. The machines in each link are carefully selected to meet different production needs. When choosing a machine, we need to consider multiple factors. For startups, machine cost, production scale, labor cost and budget are all important considerations. Semi-automatic production lines provide flexibility in these aspects, especially for companies with small production needs. With this choice, companies can not only effectively control costs, but also maintain efficiency in the production process. I believe that choosing a semi-automatic production line is an ideal decision and can lay a solid foundation for the start of a business. As the business grows, you can also gradually upgrade the equipment according to market demand to further increase production capacity. If you are interested in starting a tissue paper business or want to get more information about production equipment, please feel free to contact SLL Machinery. Our team of professionals will be happy to assist you in achieving success in the tissue industry.